Yo, what's good guys, producer Mykah here, and today guys I'm gonna be taking you through the process of remaking Asake featuring Travis Scott Active. Big shout out to Sarz. He did an amazing job on that beat. So without wasting time guys, let's go. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do first is I'm just gonna play what I did, then just show you guys the breakdown. So let's listen. Yeah, so that's basically everything that was playing all through, and trust me, this is a very simple beat, just some amazing log drums, and I'm gonna show you guys how I was able to make those log drums really hit hard, so you can punch it, so you could actually hear it very well. So yeah, so this is what the drum sounds like. I started with this loop, and if you're on the Patreon, I dropped the link where you could actually download this pack. It's actually free. So this is what the loop sounds like. Yeah, so this is what the loop sounds like. Then I had this snare, and I'm actually combining two snares, one from Killer Tunes pack, and the other is I don't even know where I got this from. But yeah, so this is what it sounds like. Then have this steady kick, because yeah, so that's it. That's like basically the vibe. Then I just use this loop also. This is a loop from the original song, so I just layered that on top of it. So we now have this. Yeah, but this idea vibe, that was like the whole drum that was played all through. Very simple and straightforward. Then the next thing, that was the highlight of that production is the log drums, and I'm gonna show you what the log drum is actually playing. So this is the log. This is what the log is playing. Yep, and I'm using a one-shot log drum, from Splice. This is what it sounds like. So what I actually did was that I used FabFilter Sachun just to boost in around this mid region. I just boosted it up. So without the Saturn, this is what it sounds like. It's not punching, but with the Saturn now we have this. It's actually boosting. I could actually still add from this region. Yeah, so that's what is making the log drum to be able to cut through the whole vibe. So with the drums and the log drum, we have. Then there was this lead I heard, at some point. So basically, the whole song just had this drum vibe going all through. Then at some point, there was like some lead melody, and this is what the lead is playing. And I just used a flute from Contact. I used a flute called Jubal flute. So in case you have Contact, you could just go get this flute. It's an amazing, really amazing flute called Jubal flute. Then I just added some pluck. I think the pluck is from GMS. Yeah, from GMS. Then I added this noise. Yeah, then I just added these effects. And guys, that's like everything that was playing all through the song. Then at this point there was like a change, added in some snare, so we have this, and the log drum change. Yeah, so and if you're in the Patreon, you're gonna get access to this FLP, so you could actually just see it in depth. So with the drums. I've been active, I jam me sáré o,
wọ́n sáré o. Ẹ̀yin fi mi ẹ jẹ́ ká jayé o. Ayé kan ló wà kó sáyé o.
Yeah, so and I got these percussions, you know, from Killer Tunes Park, you know, just giving it those amazing impacts. You're hearing it. Amazing, amazing. So then I added this transition also. Yeah, then there was this Wajo fine girl at this point, but I cannot use that because, you know, I might get a copyright strike for that. So that's why I'm not actually using that part. Then, you know, at this point, there was like a chord at the end of the song, I think. Let me see. And if you wish me bad eyes. Yeah, so I think there was like a chord. I think it's, if I'm right here.
And if you wish me bad, I swear I've bothered to say that. Break it, appreciate your love, my call me love. Breathe me a border. And if I so say.
So I think it's at this point.
And if you wish me bad, I swear I've bothered to say that. Break it, appreciate your love, my call me love. Breathe me a border. And if my success did this, thought be a good in call that. Break it, if you no be money, no they call me, no disturbance. I'm alright, I'm alright. So break it up,
yeah, so they just added like an ending chord over there. I'm gonna show you what the chord is playing, but let me just try to put the drums at that point. Let's hear what the drums is gonna sound. I don't think there was like any drum playing at this point.
And if you wish me bad, I swear I've bothered to say that. Break it, appreciate your love, my call me love. Give me a border. And if my success did this, thought be a good in cover. Break it, if you no be money, no they call me, no disturbance. I'm alright, I'm alright. So break it up, take your time. Break it, take calendar. I'm alright, I'm alright. So break it up, take your time. Take calendar.
Yeah, so that's basically everything, guys. And for the chords, I'm using Lounge Lizard, and this is what we have for the chords. Yeah. Yeah, man, and that is Active Asake featuring Travis Scott, an amazing song, man. Like, I'm just listening to the whole album, and you know, like, I'm hearing some new vibes, and I'm actually gonna be remaking a lot of tracks on that EP, you know, because I'm definitely gonna learn one or two, you know, from doing that. So I urge you guys, try to remake sounds and learn from what other producers are actually doing. So I hope you got something from this. If you're in the Patreon, like I said, you are definitely gonna get access to this FLP to, you know, play around. And I want to appreciate everyone that is on the Patreon. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate you guys. And yeah, let's listen to what this vibe sounds like again. Yo guys, so I hope you got something from this. If you did, let me know in the comment section, and let me also know which beat you would like me to remake next on the Asake's latest project. And if you're in the Patreon, you're definitely gonna get access to this FLP, so you could go through, you know, whatever it is I did. And thank you guys for watching. If you're ready to subscribe, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you definitely get notified when next I post. See you guys in the next video. Peace.